I built my flower farm on growing top quality annual flowers. I grow a few peonies, but beyond that, the lion's share of my 2.5 decade flower farming business was built on growing the right flowers, knowing when to harvest them, and how to condition them, and just providing top quality for all of our customers who bought these annuals. We sold to 23 florists, 2 supermarket chains, at farmers markets, at an on-farm private members market, and a huge bouquet subscription drop-off service. So friends, you can make your business what fits what you have. I'm in the city, no greenhouses. I grow it all outside in the garden, and you can do too. Coxcomb is one of our top sellers when you grow the right one, y'all. Love gardening and farming.